So our crews approach dock number 2, but they are struggling to get the ski actually close enough to the dock where they can get it put up. But our guy makes his approach, gets a hand on the dock finally, and gets himself pulled over. I mean, at this point, kill the motor on the ski makes life a whole lot easier because the ski's pulling on him, and it's pulling away right now. He's trying to get off. Our lady's trying to control the throttle, but turns into a little bit of a mess. And he actually looks a little frustrated up there on the dock. And it looks like he's asking for stuff, so I'm assuming there's stuff off the ski he wants. So now she's drifting off, and if they would have just killed the motor, this would have all been done, but they're going to try and get it back over. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And today, we are down here at 79th Street. So our guy's grabbing his gear, but again, the motor is still on. I don't understand this one, why they just haven't killed it, and she can just sit there next to the dock. I'm assuming they're getting out of here. And now, almost lost a shoe. The ski saves it. Oh, and she's going to run into the dock. He's not happy about it. But again, he looks nervous, but like I said, I wouldn't have left her like that anyway. I probably would have killed the motor, and they could have just stayed by the dock. What's up, crew? And our lady's waiting for her friend to come back now with the trailer, I'm assuming, so they can put this up. She's just kind of straight chilling. And she is waving to a friend of hers. It looks like we got another ski coming down. Matching twinsies. It must be the other person that's with them. And she's got the camera out, filming for the gram. Typical 79th Street move. She's got no life jacket on, which is a little odd. So she's making her approach. I wonder why she took the life jacket off. Our girl's trying to get some pictures of her friend, and here we go. Straight up spin mode on the jet ski. Living their best life. Same deal. I don't know why our girl doesn't just put it into neutral and leave it. I'm assuming this ski's got the rod system. So she's backing out, trying to keep a little distance between her and her friend. But you're backing into us. Uh-oh. Hang on. Here we go.
Whoa. Excuse me. Hey.
She's into the trees.
I did, but something happened. Doesn't go. Yes.
So she's in reverse right now. She's hitting the throttle, but the ski's going backwards.
Doesn't go forward.
Yeah, something's up.
Something happened. We gotta reel.
We might have to push her out of that tree. I don't know if it's mechanical. I mean, well, obviously something's wrong. So she's trying to restart the system. Let's see if that gets her forward gear back. But no, she's immediately in reverse. Which, the ski, I mean, I'm not as familiar with the ride system on the Yamahas as I am the Sea-Doos, but she should start in forward gear, right? Or neutral, one of those two. She's trying to push herself out. Looks like it wants to push forward now.
Something's wrong.
But as soon as she did that, it's back in reverse. Oh! Hang on! But it pulled itself out. And there she goes, cheesing for the camera. Gotta love it. Redemption to try and bring herself back out. Wait a minute. We're in reverse again, lady.
You know, but it's not working.
Oh no, she's coming backwards again. She's killed the motor again.
It's not working. Wait. Let me start again.
There we go. And we're back into the tree. She's back into reverse for some reason. Careful, don't hit the throttle too hard. She's back into the trees. Oh, she's being a good sport about it, though. She was cheesing in front of the camera, showing off a little bit. So, I mean, that's a good thing. But, man. But she's in reverse. Every time she hits the throttle, right now the ski is going backwards. Let's hope she doesn't back into us.
Something's going on.
Because you got the vest off and take the vest off that. Yeah, but you're out of throttle, that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, take the vest off.
Let's try.
Take it off, take the vest off. Take the vest off.
Look!
You owe me a kiss for that. You owe me a kiss for that. You gotta put your vest on, baby.
What an idiot I am.
So that was super observant by this guy. Basically what was going on was the vest, she had it on the handlebars. We noticed that she didn't have it on, but it was pulling down on engaging the ride system's reverse. So what happens is when you pull that down and you hit the throttle, it's just throttle in reverse. So
Wow, I'm such an idiot.
the reason she was stuck in reverse was because the jacket kept pulling on it. So she's killed the motor again. We'll see, make sure when she starts it back up that everything's all right, but I think she's got her issue resolved and yeah, she gives it a clap and I believe she's figured it out. That is, I mean, again, guys, wear your life jacket. So she tries to blame it on the hair color, but now she's going to get the ski back over to the dock. But that was really observant by the other guy. Again, I noticed she didn't have the life jacket on, but I didn't even think about the fact that it was on the handlebar pulling that other lever. I actually thought she had some sort of mechanical failure, but she looks good to roll now. She should be good to get this back onto the dock. And speaking of good to roll, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.